The Ministry of Education says it's partnering with a firm to generate data that will enable it to address issues of out-of-school children, as well as infrastructural deficit and other learning crises in the sector. The Minister of Education, Tahir Mamman, disclosed this at a capacity-building workshop of desk officers of the ministry held in Abuja. Helen Osamide-Akins reports.
In Nigeria, the education sector is faced with a series of problems, from poor funding to lack of inadequate infrastructure, insufficient learning materials and other educational resources. In November 2023, the federal government organized a cabinet retreat for ministers, presidential aides, permanent secretaries and top government functionaries. At the retreat, 23 deliverables were handed over to the Federal Ministry of Education for implementation by all stakeholders as a way to address the challenges in the sector. Today, the minister is here on a capacity-building retreat for his officers on the implementation of the federal government priority and the ministry roadmap for the education sector. It says it will prioritize data to help provide statistics on the true situation of things in the sector.
You need that data on schools to know the infrastructure of those schools, their location, how close are they to each other and to the learners, their conditions. The data will provide all these things for us. The conditions of those schools, the infrastructure of those schools. The data on teachers will help us know teacher-student ratio in every state, every local government, in every school. It will also help us know the training and capacity of the teachers, so that when we intervene, we know where we are intervening.
There needs to be more and better use of finance for education. There has to be a coordinated approach to address the learning crisis. That's both of children in school and colleges, but also the many millions of children who are currently out of school. And finally, a sort of flag with that really welcome news about the release of children. School safety, I think, is absolutely paramount.
The roadmap and deliverables were presented to heads of agencies and parastatals for smooth implementation.
Thank you, Honorable Minister.
Beyond rolling out roadmaps and ministerial deliverables for the education sector, there is need to ensure effective action that will translate to global best practices in Nigeria. Helen Osamide-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.